If your Kohler shower suddenly has uneven water temperature, weak pressure, or inconsistent performance, the cartridge or balancing spool could be the problem. Replacing these components can restore proper water flow, improve temperature control, and help prevent future issues before they get worse. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a Kohler shower cartridge and balancing spool, flush the valve, adjust the temperature setting, and test everything to make sure your shower is working properly again. Let's get started. Disassembly. Before doing anything, turn off the main water supply and open a plumbing fixture on a lower floor to relieve pressure from the system. Next, remove the shower handle. On this Kohler model, the handle unscrews directly without a set screw. Once the handle is off, remove the trim plate and handle adapter. If you're working over a bathtub, cover the drain so small screws don't accidentally fall inside. Using a screwdriver, remove the cartridge mounting screws and carefully pull out the old cartridge. And remove the balancing spool from inside the valve body. If possible, briefly flush the valve for about 10 seconds by turning the water back on while directing the flow into a bucket. This helps clear debris that may be trapped inside the valve. Before moving on, inspect the replacement kit and make sure all O-rings and components are present. Replace. Start by installing the new balancing spool. Make sure the cold side is facing the correct direction and that all O-rings are properly installed before sliding it into place. Next, apply the supplied silicone lubricant to the cartridge O-rings. Align the cartridge correctly using the top notch, then push it into the valve body. Reinstall the mounting ring and screws, tightening them evenly until the cartridge is fully secured. Now reinstall the handle adapter. Before reassembling the trim, don't forget to transfer the brass square fitting from the old cartridge to the new one. Without it, the handle won't mount correctly. Adjust and test. If needed, adjust the hot water limit stop to control the maximum temperature. Turning the adjustment clockwise increases the hot water limit, while moving it the opposite direction reduces it. Once the adjustment is set, reinstall the trim plate and handle, making sure everything is aligned correctly. Turn the main water supply back on, and carefully inspect the valve area for leaks. Use a flashlight if necessary to check around the cartridge and inside the wall opening. Finally, test the shower operation, verify smooth handle movement, confirm proper hot and cold water control, and make sure the valve is operating leak-free. And that's how to replace a Kohler shower cartridge and balancing spool. With the new components installed and properly adjusted, your shower should deliver smoother operation, better temperature control, and reliable performance once again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.